Demystifying the GMAT, Unraveling the Total Score. Hello, English learners and future MBA aspirants. Today, we are going to dive deep into understanding one of the most crucial parts of the GMAT, the Total GMAT score. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of what this score means and how it can impact your B-School application. The Total GMAT score is a combination of your quantitative and verbal scores. It ranges from 200 to 800. This score represents your overall performance on the test and is the most commonly referenced score when discussing GMAT results. But here's something important. The Total GMAT score does not include your Analytical Writing Assessment, AWA, and Integrated Reasoning, IR, scores. These are reported separately. The GMAT uses a unique scoring algorithm. Both your quantitative and verbal sections are computer adaptive, which means the difficulty of questions you get is based on your performance. Your total GMAT score is derived from these adaptive sections. It's not just a simple average, it's a combined score that reflects your abilities in both areas. While every B-school has its range of accepted scores, many top business schools have an average GMAT score of around 700. However, remember that the GMAT is just one component of your application. Schools also consider work experience, essays, recommendations, and more. That being said, aiming for a score above the average of your target schools can give your application a competitive edge. Once you've got your score, it's time to strategize. 1. Research schools. Look at the average GMAT scores of schools you're interested in. This will give you an idea of where you stand. 2. Retake if necessary. If you believe you can significantly improve, consider retaking the GMAT. 3. Highlight strengths. If your GMAT score isn't your strongest asset, ensure other parts of your application shine. And there you have it. A comprehensive breakdown of the total GMAT score. Remember, while a strong GMAT score can open doors, it's the entirety of your application that truly tells your story. Best of luck, and we hope this video has illuminated your path to understanding your GMAT score better. Happy studying!